Bro, this might be the craziest free AI video tool on the internet right now. And I don't think people are ready for this. So I found this AI called Pixverse, and it literally turns simple text into realistic videos in seconds. No editing skills, no experience, no camera, no actors. This means anyone can literally become a content creator using just AI. Just type and boom. I tested it with some crazy prompts, and when I say cinematic, I don't mean basic animations. I mean like movie level visuals. And what it created actually shocked me. Like, this looks like something from a movie. So guys, this is basically the AI tool we're gonna be working with today, and it's called Pixverse AI. Now, as you can see on the screen, this platform is designed to help you create highly realistic and cinematic content using AI. When you explore the interface and check out some of the creations, you'll notice the level of motion. At the top here, you can see different sections available. We have the image section, the video section, templates, transition, extend, modify, motion control, reference, and also the speech feature. Each of these has its own purpose, and I'm going to walk you through them one after the other. First, let's start with the image section. This is where you create your base image. Think of this as the foundation for everything else. So what you want to do here is type in a simple prompt. You don't need to overcomplicate it, just something clear and direct. For example, you can type, create an image of a nice looking lady. Once you've entered your prompt, go ahead and click on the create button. Now, what Pixverse AI will do is process your request and start generating the image. During this stage, it's adding details like lighting, facial features, textures, and overall realism. And as you can see from the result, the image comes out very clean, no blur, no distortion, no low quality output. Everything looks sharp, well lit, and highly realistic. This is one of the key strengths of this tool. If you're satisfied with the result, you can go ahead and download the image immediately. Now that we have our image ready, the next step is to turn it into a video. So we're gonna move over to the video section. Here, you'll also input a prompt, but this time it's for animation or motion. Again, keep it simple. You don't need anything complex. For example, you can type something like, create a video of her, or make her smile and move naturally. Once you're done, click on the create button and the AI will begin generating your video. What happens here is that Pixverse AI takes your image and adds motion, expression, and life to it. It's not just moving randomly, it actually creates realistic movement that feels natural. And when the result is ready, you can see how detailed everything is. The colors, the motion, the facial expressions, they all come together to create something that looks very real and engaging. Now, this is where things get interesting. A lot of content creators you see online, especially on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, are using tools like Pixverse AI to create AI influencers, AI models, and content pages. So understanding how to use this properly is not just for fun. It can actually become a solid way to make money if you use it strategically. Moving on, let's talk about the speech feature. This is where you can turn your video into a talking video. All you need to do is click on the speech section and type in a simple script. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. For example, you can just type, "Welcome guys." Once you've entered your text, click on the create button and the AI will generate voice output that syncs with the video. What this does is add another layer of realism and engagement to your content. Now your character isn't just moving, it's actually speaking, which makes your content more interactive and professional. Finally, let's look at the extend feature. This feature allows you to increase the length of your video. So if your video is too short, you can click on extend, then type a simple instruction like, extend this video to 10 seconds. Once you do that, Pixverse AI will continue generating the scene, maintaining the same quality, lighting, and character consistency. And as you can see, the extended part still looks very smooth. The expressions, the motion, even small details like the smile and lighting are preserved, which is very important for maintaining realism. Overall, this tool is very powerful and easy to use, especially if you're a content creator looking to step into AI-generated content. So guys, let me know what you think about this AI in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.